So let's get started. So if anyone is not, right now coming forward for that,
No,
so
I
let
think
me.
somebody said that she will read it.
Somebody
I
said
think,
that.
yeah,
Kindly share your
I
name.
will read. I will read it. This is Almas. I will read it
good
to all
morning.
of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, actually.
Got that. So I want to say one thing, guys, to everyone. Maybe for a second or for a few seconds, sometime during this course, maybe flipping the pages may take time. So even the reader can be, just want to bring to your knowledge. So if it is happening, just pause for a second and you will get that on the slides, right? As
Yeah,
I'm operating it through mobile today, and I really apologize if we get any inconvenience on that. Yeah, Almas, please go ahead.
yeah. I have another suggestion to make. Everybody has this book in the group, and in case there's a issue with this, you can actually open that on your mobile or maybe on another device or something, and you can read it along in case there is a problem. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, Almas.
Shall I start?
Yeah, please do that.
Thank you. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. Christian Science, Hymenaeus. If there's a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you. Because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude, and the money in your life can never improve. It will worsen. No matter what your current situation, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your mind and instead feel grateful for the money you have so the money in your life can magically increase. Whoever has gratitude for money will be given more and she or he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for money, even what she or he has will be taken from her or him.
Yeah, so I just wanted to share here, whenever we are complaining about money, you know, कोई चीज खरीदी and you feel the cost is very high and I said नहीं भैया ये तो बहुत महंगा है. The moment we say that, we are complaining about money. Sometimes it happens, in some families the husband is not earning very good money or not getting very good salary or something, and the wife is always complaining, मैं घर कैसे चलाऊं, तुम क्या कमाते हो, इससे कैसे चलेगा घर. So get that every time you are complaining about money, you are actually inviting poverty into your life. The moment you start saying gratitude for whatever you have, even if you have less money and you're grateful for it, you will actually invite abundance in your life. I know so many people, who have been not having so much money, but always stayed satisfied and happy with whatever they had. And over a period of time, they have so much money that they have never thought about that they will ever get it. I mean, for example, even our parents, like my father, was the only earning member, and we never had so many, materialistic things and all initially. And but everybody in the house was always happy. We always said like had everything we wanted and contented and satisfied. And over a period of time, things we had never thought of, we got. We had our own house, we had car, we had every materialistic thing which makes life comfortable. So if you are in gratitude, you are inviting abundance into your life. The moment you start complaining about or worry about money, things will start going away from you. So whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, and she or he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for money, even what she or he has will be taken from them, from him, or you know. So you must have come across people जिनके फादर्स ने बिजनेस में बहुत पैसा कमाया और इतना सारा पैसा अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए छोड़ के गए. बट बिकॉज द चिल्ड्रन डिड नॉट हैव ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर मनी, उन्होंने सब पैसा गवा दिया. My father's mama, like my father's nana, was a Raisa at that time, and he had abundance of money and properties. He left it for his sons. But because the sons didn't have gratitude for the money or the wealth they had acquired from their parents and grandparents, they lost everything. They got into bad habits, bad companies, and lost everything. So whenever you are in gratitude, you are actually inviting abundance. You will have abundance in your life. And the moment you are not grateful for what you have, it will be taken away from you. So guys, be very careful. Whenever you're complaining, you are actually pushing away the things from yourself. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you. Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are 2 steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, "Thank you," with all your heart for each instance. Did you always have food to eat? Did you live in a home? Did you receive an education over many years? How did you travel to school each day? Did you have school books, school lunches, and all the things you needed for school? Did you go on any vacations when you were a child? What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? Did you have a bike, toys, or a pet? Did you have clothes as you grew so quickly from one size to the next? Did you go to the movies, play sports, learn a musical instrument, or pursue a hobby? Did you go to the doctor and take medicine when you were not well? Did you go to the dentist?
Yeah, so I would like to just share something here. So for us, all these things were taken for granted. हम स्कूल गए हैं, सबके सब गए हैं, सब educated हैं. Somebody paid for the education, right? Somebody paid for the school fee. Somebody paid for our books. Somebody paid for our uniform. We never thought about it. We never paid any gratitude to our parents. When I was reading this chapter yesterday and I was getting present to it, मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि मुझे जो चाहिए था कहाँ से आ जाता था. Knowing that my father was the only earning member and my grandmother was staying with us after my grandfather passed away. My chacha had gone to America and he was still struggling to find a job. His family was staying with us. How did he manage to get me everything? Whatever need was needed for my schooling, my clothes, even my shoes, everything was always there. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने मांगा और मुझे नहीं मिला. कभी मैंने gratitude दिया अपने father को? नहीं. I had tears in my eyes yesterday when I was doing this practice. That, we take our parents so much for granted. I remember I was in school and that was the time slacks came into fashion. And my mother used to, do the sewing. Export के orders जहाँ stitch होते थे वहाँ पे, there used to be workshops and centers. They used to give, clothes to people to stitch it at home. So my mother and Sathwali auntie, they used to get those, things to stitch at home so that they can make little extra money to support the husbands. So my mother used to do stitching till late night so that, she can manage the house. It never occurred to me how much effort she's putting, how much extra mile she's going to keep the things working in the house. And I remember on my birthday and my friend's birthday came almost around the same time. Our mothers, from their own earnings, bought us slacks. And we were so excited that humko slacks mili hai. And I remember the color also. Mine was mustard and hers was red color. And dono ne hame slacks khareed ke di. I've never been gratitude for that. I never paid any gratitude to my mother for that. And then winters came and we had to buy our woolen skirts. And at that time, woolen skirts were very expensive for us to buy. So again, our mothers, they actually, from their own earnings, hame garam skirts deke di hum dono ko, myself and my friend. I never paid gratitude to my mother for that. How much they have done for us. और हम कहते हैं हमारे माँ बाप ने हमारे लिए किया ही क्या है, ये तो हर माँ बाप करता है. देखो ना ऑर्फनेज में कितने बच्चे हैं जिनके माँ बाप नहीं करते थे या नहीं हैं. हमने कभी उन ब्लेसिंग्स को काउंट ही नहीं किया है. I remember when my grandfather was alive and he was very, at that time he was a civil engineer and earning very good salary and all that. So we were staying separately in a separate house. So in the morning, he used to go to Gurudwara, and whatever he used to buy for his house, he always used to come to our place first. मैं सो रही होती थी, and he will come. बड़ी वाली बटर की टिक्की की जो बड़ा वाला पैकिंग होता है, वो ब्रेड सब मेरे पास मेरे बेड पे रख के, he used to leave it for me and he used to kiss my forehead. And I used to get 10 paisa as a pocket money every day from him. So he used to leave that for me. I never paid gratitude to him. I mean, everybody has done so much for us. But we take all these things for granted for, because parents उनको तो करना ही है. नहीं, उनको करना नहीं है, वो कर रहे हैं, ये उनकी generosity है. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते इसके बारे में. बहुत हैं ऐसे जिनके माँ बाप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं करना चाहते हैं. ऐसे भी लोग हैं. People who have been abandoned on the roads. I know of this NGO, Earth Saviors Foundation. There's a guy, he was a top level executive in an MNC. He just got a calling that he has to attend to people on the road. He chucked his job. People dying on the road where there's no one to take care of them. He gives them that honor of dying with respect. He brings them to his center and does all their Kriya Karam and goes to Ganga Ji also to do their Kriya Karam. ऐसे भी लोग हैं और ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो अपने माँ बाप को बाहर निकाल देते हैं. So be grateful for whatever you have received in the past. So in this book, initial जो sections हैं, they are for the past things we have received. So think of all those days when you were children, when you were a child, you were in school, you were in college, somebody paid for the things you got. Have you ever paid gratitude for those things? If not, now is the time. Start paying gratitude for each and everything which you remember, and start building your gratitude ka apna quota, so that you can you can actually accelerate your speed towards your dreams. This is the path. This is the only path to get what you want in your life. Just be grateful for what you have. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you. Did you have essential items that you used every day, like your toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and shampoo? Did you travel in a car? Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity, and water? All of these things cost money, and you received them all at no charge. As you travel back through memories of your childhood and youth, you will realize how many things you received that equate to hard earned money. Be grateful for every single instance and memory, because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you have received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. To
Even
continue, sorry.
1 second. Even when you were staying in a house, or even if you were staying in a hostel, उस रूम में जो लाइट थी, कोई तो उसको पे कर रहा था. वो जो रूम था जिसमें आप रह रहे थे, उसको जिसने भी बिल्ड किया, उसने उसको पे किया ना उसके लिए. Somebody has paid for it. Have you ever paid any gratitude for all those running water in the bathroom or the electricity? आप एक बटन प्रेस करते हैं और आपको लाइट मिल जाती है. How many people are involved in bringing that to you? How many people have paid for that? Even if you're staying in a rented house, somebody has paid for the electricity. Maybe you're paying it back to him, but have you paid gratitude? You paid money, fine, but are you being grateful when you're paying for it also? How many times it happens that कोई bill आता तो हम crib करते हैं? But have you thought that somebody paid in the past also for you? So this is the time to just think back about all the facilities you had: electricity, water, transport. अगर आप कहीं जाते थे तो आप पैदल तो नहीं जाते थे ना, बस से गए, ऑटो से गए, या जो बहुत फॉर्चुनेट थे कार से गए. Somebody paid for all that, right? Have you ever paid gratitude to them? If not, do it now. Now is the time. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill, "Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life."
So this book, since it is written in the US, they have written dollar. So you can keep a 10 rupees note or a 100 rupees note and make a sticker. Maybe you can use the posted stickers or something, or just write it on a piece of paper and just stick it to that note and keep it. And what are you supposed to write is, "Thank you for all the money that I've been given." Yeah. Yeah, please continue.
Take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet, purse, or pocket. At least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want, you can take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money.
Yeah. So, as I always say, feelings is the fuel. So, जितना deeply feel करके आप gratitude दोगे, so you are supposed to write it on a 10 rupee or 100 rupee note, keep it in your wallet, and see it 2-3 times in a day or as many times as you want, but at least 3 times, morning, afternoon, and the evening. And that is why we do these practices, reading in the morning, so that you can continue with the practice throughout the day and feel it. The more deeper you feel, you will be actually you will be inviting miracles to come in your life uh, faster than the others. It is because as I said, feelings is the fuel. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discounts, rebates, or decreases in cost, or receive all kinds of material things that would have cost you money.
Okay, so I always wanted to buy a air fryer, but I always used to feel yaar jagah nahi hai mere ghar mein, and I don't want to spend so much money on it. And so I went to my niece's house, and they were talking about what they cooked there in air fryer, and somewhere inside I really wanted it, and but didn't want to spend money on it. And on my birthday, I received air fryer as a gift.
Wow.
So somebody paid for it, right? I wanted it, and it came to me without my paying for it, but it has costed something to somebody, right? So indirectly, it is a money which has come to me. That much amount of money has been spent on that is the money which has come to me. And I was so grateful. I was so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the air fryer. Yeah. So these kinds of things, or maybe you kept money somewhere and you forgot about it, and you just open to happen to open that drawer, or maybe open you took out a pant or a jacket which you kept last winters, and you just took out to give air them so that you can start wearing because the winter is setting in, and suddenly you put your hand in the pocket, and you find some money in that. So that is magical. You had forgotten about it. You didn't even know that it exists. So these are the small cues that the money is coming, and it is coming on the way. It's on the way. The moment you feel gratitude for it, more and more will start coming in.
And
Yeah.
Jagjit, if we remember in the earliest chapter, it got created for each one of us. Even it is there in our scriptures also that the one which have more will be given more,
Yeah.
and the one which have not even will be taken away whatever he or she have.
Yeah.
So if we have a gratitude for whatever money and whatever the prosperity we have, you will be given more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
Thank you. After today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, the more magic you will bring forth. An abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money.
Okay.
If you
So people who are actually written in their dreams about money, certain amount of money, or money to buy something. So I would recommend that over and above the practice of the day, if you want that money to come faster, I would recommend that you keep doing this practice every day of looking at your dollar bill or 10 rupees or 100 rupees bill every day, and keep saying gratitude for money. and it will accelerate the speed of your dream getting fulfilled. So that is a recommendation. Choice is yours. Yeah, please continue.
If you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain and about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money. From this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instances gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received.
Okay, so I just wanted to say one more thing here. So one way of saying is thank you, universe. I've got this money, unexpected money, and I'm so grateful. And there's a very little feeling into it. And one is of saying, wow, I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got this money and I am so grateful to you. So the excitement and the feeling is the fuel. The more excited, the more feelings you put into it, the more you will attract abundance in your life. I mean, I know of a friend during lockdown, उनका जैसे सबके business थोड़े से slow थे, and he was expecting कि कोई कहीं से कुछ order आ जाए. So he gets orders for 50 lakhs, 1 crore, that kind of orders he gets because he's a wholesaler. So during lockdown, he got one order only for 5,000 rupees. But there was an order. काफी टाइम से कुछ नहीं आया था. He has this practice. वो घर में भांगड़ा ट्यून लगाते हैं और सब जने नाचते हैं जब भी कुछ अच्छा होता है, to celebrate gratitude. So he came and he started that Bhangra tune and he started dancing and everybody started dancing. Oh, order mil gaya, order mil gaya, order mil gaya. So he was so excited that he's got order and whatever the amount was, but he was so thrilled and excited. And sure enough, abundance followed. His turnover during the lockdown itself has gone 4 times. So this is the key. Feelings is the fuel. Just wanted to create that for you guys. Please carry on.
Magic money. Repeat steps 1, 2, 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Sit down and take a few minutes to think about back through your childhood and all the things you received that were provided at no charge to you. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. 4. Take a dollar bill or other small bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in big bold letters, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. 5. Take your magic dollar bill with you today and at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want, take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. After today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. 7. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Okay, so I hope you don't have any question. In case you have any question about the practice, please ask. So you have to write on a 100 rupees or a 10 rupees note in bold letters, "Thank you for all the money that I have received throughout my life." Okay, so start from 1. You have to repeat count your blessings, write 10 blessings, write why are you grateful, and say thank you after reading each blessing, which you have to continue to do every day. And then the second one is sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you have received that were provided at no charge to you. So this is very important exercise. Please take out some time today, sit down and think about your childhood and the kind of things you've received, for which somebody had paid for. And I have done this exercise, I don't know how many times. And every time when I sit down to think, new things show up. इतना मिला है कि याद भी नहीं है. So every time when I am doing it, जो मैंने last time याद किया था उसके अलावा बहुत सारी चीजें निकल के आती हैं. Like yesterday when I was doing, ऐसी ऐसी बातें निकल के आई जो मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोची थी पहले. So please do the practice as it is designed. Take out some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You don't have to do it in one go. You can keep doing it throughout the day also. जब थोड़ा सा time मिला, just go down memory lane, think about it, pay your gratitude, and start counting, start adding your blessings. Yeah. And point number 3, as you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic word, "Thank you." It's the feeling which is important. Huh? So deliberately think, deliberately feel, and pay gratitude. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
as it says that, Jagjit, with all your heart for each instance.
That's true.
Full out from your heart and fully getting present to that.
That's right. Next. Okay, so on a 10 rupees note or a 100 rupees note, you have to stick tape laga do, glue laga do, staple kar lo, write, "Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life." And every time you look at it, just think of the things you have been given for which you've not paid. And you have to look at it at least 3 times during the day, morning, afternoon, and even in the evening. Do it at least 3 times. And or as many times as you want. If money is an area in which you want magic, I would say keep doing it every day, anytime, any number of times, because you cannot do too much of gratitude. Jitna gratitude karo kam hai, right?
Very true.
And then it says, take your magic dollar bill with you today and at least once in the morning. Yeah, I just covered that. And after today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere. You will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. भूल नहीं जाना, इसलिए बोला है कि उसको अपने आसपास रखना है all the time, every day, so that जहां आपके सामने लगा होगा तो आप उसको देख सकते हो. और अगर आपने अपने वॉलेट में रखा है तो every time you're taking out money, you will see that. Like the magic rock thing in the movie, he used to keep it in his pocket. So anytime his hand touched the magic rock, he used to say gratitude for something, right? Similarly, when you open your wallet and you see this, say thank you for something for which you had not paid money, but somebody had given it. Yeah. Next. Just before you go to sleep. Yeah.
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 Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So the first practice and the last practice needs to be continued every day, at least till the time this magic practice we are doing.